This instruction is based on Hitachi TX41D56VC1CAA 16-inch screen. As we always show you in a video, before you do the installation, first test the LED strip first. Make sure all LED lights up. This is one of the tough screens to upgrade to XP series LED. So this video will be a little bit longer, so we had to break in two parts. You are now watching part 1. And you see the black tape was covered by a really tiny circuit board. Be really carefully. Right here on the corner, there's a small ribbon cable connectors. You have to be really careful and flip up a plastic and slowly move out the small ribbon cables. Okay, if you damage this connector and the other one we're going to show you later on the other side, and the screen's gone, you have to buy a new screen. So just remove a little black tape that holds a really thin modules, like the video just showing you. Now here you will be careful. Slightly flick over. There's a little bit small ribbon cables right here. Be really careful to remove the plastic plates. Now use a long nose to straighten out those metal clips on all 4 sides. Straighten out, and that which is holds a front metal film to the back plastic frame. Now remove this high temperature tape that holds a CCFL wire harness to the bottom of a screen. Now slowly take out the front part of the screen, which is where the liquid glass is. Take out this diffusion sheets and remove the light guiding plexiglass. Now we move CCFL backlight assembly with the reflectors. When we upgrade to LED backlight, this reflector is no longer needed. Remove the bottom cover sheets. Now you see on the back of the plastic frames. Again, I had said it before, this is one of the toughest screens to upgrade to a XP LED light. So right here we need to open up a little bit about on the back cover sheets, and let the ribbon cable which is attached between LED strip to our converter to go out the other side. it's a little bit difficult to cut the hole. Just a tiny bit, not too much. You can stick inverter goes to the other side. Okay, go through the other side. Just be careful. Now, because this Hitachi structure is a little bit different, so besides we have using the front side of the double side tip, we need to add a little bit more on the other side, which is bottom side of SP LED strip. So make sure it stays right at the bottom before we tape it on the back cover sheet. You're gonna see it really shortly. So adding another piece. Double side tip on the bottom, and we need one more. Now, if you need to trim a little bit on each end of the XP LED strip to make it 100% fit, it depends on what type of screen is it. Some model is 100% fit, but some model you might have to trim a little bit, just tiny bit. I'm talking about 1 millimeters. So we remove the double side tape cover on the bottom side of the XP LED strip. Now carefully tape it at the bottom of a plastic film. Try to tape it as close as you could to the edge of plastic film. Now we put back a back cover sheet which is on the back, kind of do the alignment first, make sure it's correct, it's fixed, everything fixed good, and then you took it out. Now you remove the top side of the double side tip cover one at a time. Okay, now we put it back the bottom sheet. Make sure it tips on this sheet. Yeah, make sure it's clean.